If you have indoor cats and you don't really want to let them out, this is your sign to build them a catio instead. It's their little slice of freedom, sunshine, fresh air, and bird sounds without any danger. No cars, no predators, no stress. Your cats finally will stop mewing at the window. Somebody becomes their new full-time job. And about you, you get pure entertainment just watching them live their best lives, outside and inside. Acario brings peace for you, joy for them, and honestly, it changed our home completely.